Um, the Holy Quran, when mentions about Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam, it says Isa ibn Maryam. In the case of other prophets, their mother's name was not mentioned. So the question, some non-Ahmadi actually raised this question. They said this is the proof that when Jesus will come in his second advent, then the same Jesus will come here in this world.
It is a nonsensical conclusion which they draw. In fact, this is an answer to some questions raised by them against Masih Maud alayhi salam. They said that his name is compound, while all other prophets' name was not compound. So we point out Hazrat Isa alayhi salam's name, which was shown to Hazrat Maryam in dream. Isa ibn Maryam, Rasulullah. So Hazrat Isa's name, like Masih Maud alayhi salam name, is compound. See, this is the main inference which should be drawn. Otherwise, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, we believe in him not as a son of Allah, but only as a prophet of Allah, that's all.